I'm Shelly. Hi, I'm Abhilasha. Hi, I'm Vaishnavi. Hi, I'm Elizabeth. We are from TVPSS Sjkt Subramaniya Barathee. Hello, I'm Vaishnavi here and now we're watching TVPSS Sjkt Subramaniya Barathee. Today we are here to explore Kidland. So as I know, there's only one floor in Kidland. Hello sir. Oh, okay sir. Oh my god, guess what? There's even a second floor in Kidland. So once we're done, let's explore. This is so fun! Oh my god, it's amazing! This is so fun! Oh my god, it's amazing! Hi, I've been teleported. Where am I? Oh my god, there's something strange happening here. This is the room I would like to show you. But it's okay, let's continue with the tour. By the way, this is the trampoline room.
Abhi, were you scared? A little. A little? You don't look like a little. Actually, a little scared. The reason I was scared was the shaking part. That's the only thing scared. Rest of them were actually Abhi?
So now we are here at the art and craft section. Look, they have lots of painting and material. It's so great. You have a very, very good platform for kids to learn and have fun.
Yes, I will introduce the Kidland to the children because the Kidland is not only the playground, but the children also can learn because we got the occupation stations such as police station, fire station, hospital and many more stations that the children can learn and play at the same time.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm sure that's true. And one last question. How much to rate Kidland out of 10? 20, 100 or 1000?
You will say 10, I will say 10 out of 10, but if I will say more, I will give infinity of 10.
Wow, I like that answer. Thank you very much guys. We'll see you in the next interview. Bye. So now we are going to be interviewing the balls here. Okay, Mrs. Balls. Do you like when people hit on you? Oh yes you do. Why? It feels like a massage. So now we are going to be interviewing the balls. I'm going to ask you a few questions and we're going to answer it based on your opinion. How do you think Kidland is so far?
Here is quite nice and fun for kids.
Would you stay here for the rest of your life?
Yeah, I will bring my child and come here.
From the experience. We never see recording that. We were just in the military record. Isn't it so fun here? Follow me guys. Follow us guys, come on. Okay guys, so this. Now I'm going to show you back the police station. Come on, let's go. Let's go. So this is the police station. It's kind of echoey here. Look here. There's green out here. Whoa. Look here, there guys. Look, there's so many people watching. I want to put another taxi guys. Oh my god. It's legit. It's so big.
And that's going to be so awesome.
Yeah.
We're going to see how
One more thing that you don't know, in the police station, you get your own police car. Police bike. Yeah, look at those bikes. Come on, camera.
You know something, guys? I think someone should test his bike out. Are they fast enough to get some thieves? You know what? We'll find out later.
Hello guys, we are riding the Kidland. Oh my god, it's actually fast. Ha! Did you see that guys? That was so cool, right? So guys, do you think you'll come here? Well, okay, of course you'll come here. And by the way, I'm Vaishnavi here from TVPSS Sjkt Subramaniya Barathee signing out. Wait, did you guys hear that? Whoa! Hi guys, did you see the camera glitching and the camera overheating? Well, that was all me. I was just trying to scare you guys. Now, even I'm having fun with